Hi everyone, welcome to another QBO Tip. Last week we took a look at 2 inventory issues. This week I want to tell you about a new online bill payment solution built right into QuickBooks Online. You can pay bills directly from QBO using Bill Pay with Melio. It's a snap to set up and a pretty handy option, especially if you don't want to physically print and snail mail some checks. You can pay using your bank, your debit card, your credit card, doesn't matter. Using your bank or your debit card, there's no fees. It's free. Using a credit card, they do have a transaction fee. I believe it's 2.9% at this point in time. Yeah, that sounds about right. One of the things that's pretty unique about it is it doesn't really matter which payment form that you use. You get to choose how the vendor receives the payment. So you can pay with a credit card and they will send the vendor a check if that's what they prefer. It's a pretty simple interface to set up and use, and I would love to walk you through a demo, but I don't have a demo account for it. So I can kind of briefly tell you about it. Like I said, it's pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory, walks you right through all of the steps. So you got to enter your payment details, bank account, debit card number, credit card number, whatever you're using. You get to choose how the vendor is going to receive their payment. You can do an e-payment option if you have their bank details. Admittedly, not many of us do. So to begin with, it's pretty hard not to send a check, but you can work that out in the future if you want to start doing more e-payments or they would prefer them. And then you verify that you have the vendor's address, it's the correct address, and you can schedule out the payment. So you don't need to process the payment today. You can say, I want to pay it Friday or a week from today, and that's when they'll charge your card, charge your debit card, pull the funds out of your bank account, however you set that up. One thing to be mindful of is timing. Say I'm sending a vendor a check and I process it on Friday. Well, if payment's due on Friday, they probably won't get the check in time because it has to go through the mail. So just something to think about if you're going to do that. If you're looking for more features than just kind of the simple bill pay, document retention, some sort of internal controls, anything like that, Melio does have a freestanding app that you can log into and access some of those things. It's very similar to Bill.com if you've ever used that. So it's a little quick thing on how to pay bills directly out of QuickBooks Online. I hope it helps you out. And thanks so much for watching.